How to fix iPhone border lights not working with Siri. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are having trouble with the iPhone's border lights, then you're in the right place. Today I'll guide you through some quick and easy fixes to get those lights glowing again. But first things first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First, open up your settings and then go to Siri and make sure the Siri is toggled on and it's working. After that, go back, go to General and check for software update. Make sure the latest software has been installed, and then after you have made sure, go back and then go to iPhone storage and make sure to delete all the unwanted apps and files so that it does not hinder with the Siri process. Now, if that doesn't work the trick, then what you have to do is you'll have to restart your phone. Swipe down your notification bar from the right side, access the control center and tap on the power button on the top right corner. And even after restarting your phone that doesn't work, then go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. This will help you fix your issue. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.